Some of the most famous ancient Indian mathematicians include Aryabhata, known for discovering zero and representing large numbers with alphabets. Brahmagupta, an astronomer, made significant contributions to Indian mathematics between 598 and 670 CE. Bhaskara II lived during the classical period of Indian mathematics, influencing the field from 1114 to 1185 AD. Madhava of Sangamagrama, another great mathematician from the classical period, also contributed significantly. Nilakantha Somayaji and Varāhamihira are also notable mathematicians from the classical period, contributing profoundly to the field. These mathematicians laid the groundwork for understanding zero, negative numbers, arithmetic, and algebra. Here's a list of top 10 famous Indian mathematicians and their contributions.